Hello kids, hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Today in this video you will learn about prime and composite numbers and also you will learn the method to find prime factors of a given number. Let us start. After understanding factors and how to find the factors, it becomes easy to understand the prime and composite numbers. We all know that 2 have only 2 factors and 5 have also only 2 factors, whereas 6 has 4 factors. So the numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers, and the numbers like 6 which has more than 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, here 6 has 2 and 3 except 1 and 6. So it is a composite numbers. So the numbers which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. The numbers which has only 2 factors are called prime numbers. There are more. Likewise, 3. 3 also is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So it is a prime number. Children, do you know that 2 is the smallest prime number because before 2 1 comes, but 1 has only 1 factor. So 1 is a special number. It is neither prime nor composite. It is a special number, unique number. Then is 4. 4 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. It comes in the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. So there are 3 factors of 4, so it is a composite number. In the way there are many. So you can say the numbers which are circled, they all are prime numbers, and the numbers which are crossed, they all are composite numbers, but except 1. 1 is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Let us have few more examples from activity number 4. First part is 5. 5, you will write it like factors of 5 is equal to 5. It is equal to 1 and 5. So as it has only 2 factors, so it is a prime number. And next B part is 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here there are more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. In this way you will be able to solve all the parts of activity 4. Now kids, let us understand how to find prime factors of any number. Prime factors means when we find only the prime factors. Like here in activity number 4, if I talk about 12, we have written factors of 12. But here there are prime numbers also like 2, 3. And there are composite numbers also like 4, 6 and 12. But now we will understand how to find only the prime numbers, only the prime factors of a given number. Here 18. So we always start dividing the given number by smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? That is 2. So 2 into 9 is 18. 2 9s are 18. Now we'll write 2 as it is because we cannot split 2 again. But yes, 9 can be split. That is 3 into 3. Kids, as you can see, 2, 3, 3. These all 3 numbers are prime numbers and their product is also 18. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So these are the prime factors of 18. In the same way, let's have one more example. That is 24. To find prime factors of 24, again we'll start dividing the number by 2 first of all, because 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 multiplied by 12. 12 2s are 24. Then 2 will remain same as it cannot be split again. It is a prime number. It has no other prime factor. So come to 12. 4 3s are 12, or you can write 3 4s are 12. Now as here is 4, so 4 is a composite number. So it will be split again. We will divide it again. That is 2 2s are 4. 3 will remain there because 3 is itself is a prime number. It cannot have more factors. It has only one and itself as its factor. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So these are prime factors of 24. Got it? So in the same way, we will be easily able to solve these parts of activity number 5, which is to find the prime factors. Let us have one more example from activity number 5, that is 12. Let's solve it. 12. Again, to solve it, I'll start dividing the number by the smallest prime number, and that is 2. 2 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 is a prime number, so it will remain same in the next step, and I'll split 6. That is 2 3s are 6. Do not forget to put this multiply sign in between because their product is the above number. 2 3s are 6. So now kids, can I split this 2 and 3 again? No, I cannot because all 3 are prime numbers. So you'll write there. So prime factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. This is the way to solve to find out prime factors, and this method is known as factor tree method. Factor tree method. Why? Because these are the factors and it is in a form of tree. So it is known as factor tree method.